Guys, what is good, man? Today I got something different for you. So I'm gonna be doing the starter change. I'm replacing the starter on the old 9 Honda Accord right here. Let's get into it. This operation is simple, man, but there's a few things we gotta take off. So right here, I'm gonna take the battery off. I'm gonna take the cover off. I'm gonna take this tube off. This here has to come out too. So let me take that out and then show you guys what's next. Let me warn you people that don't know about Hondas. So when you take that battery cable off and you put it back on, you're gonna have to put a radio code in because the radio is not gonna work. So fair warning. So you can also use a flathead for those. So I'm taking this out in order to get to that right there. Oops. Hold on. All right, man, I was gonna take this out, but I just need it out of my way, and that's pretty much all that matters because I got 2 bolts down here. All right, man, everything is almost out the way. So I'm gonna show you these, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts that need to come out. There's one right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Get that out. And then there's a small hole on the side. I need to figure out how to get that one off, but that's pretty much it. So let me get these bolts out. Guys, there's actually 6 bolts in this intake, man. Let me show you real quick. All right, that bolt is down there. Right there, that bolt. All right, guys, don't use an impact. I'm using it because I loosen the bolts first. I actually loosen them first with a ratchet, so now I'm just trying to get them out. All right, man, there's the one bolt down there. Let me zoom in. That's it, right there. That's what I'm taking out so I can get the intake off. All right, man, there we go. Simple as that. All right, man, the intake is out, man. So I got this cable right here that I had to take off. This harness also. And I got this 12 millimeter, a 17 millimeter down here. Then there's another back here. I'm not sure what size it is. All right, man, out with the old, in with the new. I just want to make some quick comparison real quick before I put it back in. They pretty much look the same. Yeah, man, I think we're good to go. Let me show you something real quick, man. This right here is the long bolt that I had to take out. And then this is the other one. That long bolt is a 14 millimeter and the big one is a 17. I'm gonna put some anti-seize on both of these because, man, I caught straight hell getting those bolts out. I actually had to get a breaker bar for both. So I'll put that on, and then I'll put the starter back.